And now new at 6 tonight, some high schools in Bucks County are taking concussion prevention to a whole new level now.
That's right. As NBC10's Katie Zachary tells us, they've teamed up with a local hospital to make sure that athletes and coaches realize how life-changing a concussion can actually be.
Hug, explode through.
Football practice this year is not the same for number 31. As senior captain for Council Rock North, Steve Soroba has something else to think about.
It was kind of like just flashes of light and me falling down to the ground real slow.
Last season, he suffered 2 concussions. He might be back playing, but he's more careful about head injuries. So is the high school. With the help of St. Mary's Medical Center, they can now require every student who plays a contact sport, both boys and girls, to take the impact test.
Gives us a baseline of their cognitive ability. So it looks at things like memory, reaction time. If a kid sustains a concussion, we can use that test to compare the child's results and see, are they at the same cognitive ability they were before.
If their results after the concussion are far from their baseline, they have to sit out of play even longer. It helps trainers like Mike Horan gauge how badly a student's brain is damaged.
It's a problem for every sport: soccer, flying elbows in soccer, field hockey sticks.
We were seeing more concussions reported in our ED, and we needed to make sure that the follow-up was there.
On top of the testing, athletes and coaches are taught how to prevent a concussion from ever happening.
As players, we practice hitting right, keeping our heads up.
And how to handle one when it does.
If you feel something's wrong, you got to get off the field.
I've been called to fields at practices more by coaches saying, just check Johnny, he's been dinged. I want to make sure he's okay. Things that, 5-6 years ago didn't happen.
2 other districts, Neshaminy and Ben Salem, are also part of this program. The goal of organizers is that soon every school district in Bucks County will not just test their athletes, but also teach them concussion prevention. In Newtown, Bucks County, Katie Zachary, NBC10 News.